Alright, Buster. Dunk it. Oh, so close. You can do it. Chewing it a little bit there. Oh, so close. Come on, you can do it. Yay! Good job! Yeah. Get that ball, Buster. You can do it. There's no crying in basketball. Oh, there it is. Good job. Okay, now dunk it. Woo! Good job!